Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by making sure you're in the right place. Open Samsung Messages or the app where the sticker exists. Once done, verify you have a backup of any important chat content so you can recover if needed. Tap the conversation to display messages, then locate the specific sticker message you want to delete. Don't navigate away, you'll act directly on that message. This avoids deleting the wrong item and sets you up to remove the sticker quickly and safely. Long press the sticker message until the contextual menu appears. This gives you the actionable choices. Tap Delete or the trash icon, then confirm the deletion when prompted. This removes the sticker from that thread. If you need to clear several stickers, use multi-select mode by tapping additional messages before pressing Delete, which is faster and keeps the thread tidy. Make sure to check whether the app asks to delete for you only versus for everyone. After deleting, if the sticker still appears, clear the Messages app cache. Go to Settings, Apps, select Messages, Storage, then Clear Cache. Once done, restart the phone to refresh the app and confirm the sticker is gone. If the problem persists, update the app or uninstall and reinstall it. That often resolves sync or display issues. As a last resort, restore from your backup if you accidentally removed important content. This ensures you recover anything lost during troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.